In today's video of dictionary, I will discuss about first one, displaying keys only from dictionary. Suppose we have to display only the key values, then display only values from dictionary, then displaying sequence of tuples, then how to delete all the elements from the dictionary. These are the topics we will discuss today. First of all, create one dictionary with some key elements. One is key element separated by colon. Let the value is A101 separated by comma. Then the second element, let the second key is 2 and the value is A102. Then A103. Suppose these are three values and key elements. 1 to 3 are key elements, and A101, A102 and A103, these are the values. Print. Suppose I have to display the dictionary. We have already completed this. You can display the dictionary 101, 102 and 103. Suppose I have to display the keys only. Print only keys. And you can write A dot keys. Let us execute. You can display the keys only. Dictionary keys 1, 2 and 3. If I have to display the values, print only values A dot values. Now execute. These are the dictionary values. There is no need to write the help content because already contents are there. Suppose I am executing like this. I think it's better because already there is a display of dictionary keys and dictionary values along with the items. Suppose I write print A dot items. One is key, second is value, third is item. Now what is the meaning of item? Basically, we are displaying the dictionary values in tuples. Display of sequence of values in tuples. It's first tuple, second tuple and third tuple. Included or covered with square bracket. These are the first three topics: how to display keys from the dictionary. Second is values. Third is sequence of tuples. You can also write items. Basically, these are the items. Suppose I write a dot clear and print after deleting all the elements. Let us display. There is no need to write a new line. Print a comma a. Let us display again. That's empty. It means you can clear or you can delete all the elements using a dot clear. Thanks for watching my video. In the next video, I will discuss about how to print the value using key and display all the items using for loop, and what is the use of pop function inside dictionary. Thanks for watching my video.